Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the small brown egg in Grow a Garden 2 game of Roblox Muffin Bake update. Okay, let's get into it, guys. So there is a new event in Grow a Garden. As you can see here, the Bake Off. And in this update, guys, you need the small brown egg to make this muffin, the carrot muffin. You need one small brown egg. And if you want to get the small brown egg, first you're going to talk to the baker, and then you need to purchase the chicken from here. Wait, let me purchase these ingredients. You need to purchase chicken. It costs 3K maple leaves, and then you're going to place the chicken in your garden. And wait, let me show you the information about this chicken. Okay, it can peck around your garden and lay a small brown egg about every 5 minutes. Okay, and this is the small brown egg. I'm going to collect it and then we can use it to bake. Oops, where is it? Okay, this one. I'm gonna collect this small brown egg. And then you can go back to this area, the baking area, and you're going to use the oven to make a muffin. Okay, guys, and that's how you can get the small brown egg in Grow a Garden 2 game of Roblox, the muffin bake update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.